Afternoon, Andrew from Neen Overland, just checking in just to introduce something that we've been thinking about doing for quite a number of years to create a nice aluminium and stainless cooker pod that, as you can see, mounts on the side of your Defender. Give you a nice food prep area on this stainless top, which doubles up as the lid for the whole unit. And then next to it, you've got a double burner in a self-contained box with a sink and obviously ceramic top. So that you can cook. A little bit of storage underneath, just down here. We'll show you in a minute taking it off the side of the truck and then remounting it in the back of the vehicle so you can basically cook and prep your food on the inside or on the outside of your Defender. And then in the wintertime, when you're not out having fun camping and exploring, you can put it all in your garage, and in the back of your Defender you've got for everyday use for the family. So here we are then, we've now got it clipped on in the inside of the Defender, just so you can cook or use it as a work surface to work on or prepare your food, just as you would do on the outside. And of course, under this worktop, you've got a double burner, nice big sink, so it's nice and easy to use. And then of course, the stainless worktop next to it, so you can prep your food or put your laptop on there, do a little bit of work. And then when you want to take it down the road, that comes off and then it just goes on the top like so. You can then just pull the seat back up and then this bit just slides all the way along to allow the other kit to come in and go around it for transport mode. We've made it strong enough so you can put storage boxes on the top as well to make use of all the space.